Hey guys, it's Trinity Tracy here, aka Tracy38, and I'm here because I have a first reaction to I'm going to show you guys my first reaction of opening up my box. Now I did already open up the box, and I moved the paper, and I looked at the box, and honestly, I'm just going to tell you how I felt. I just was like, wow, this box is small. So it comes packaged like this, and I did get mine from Cricut.com. Comes like this, and also I ordered another tool set because they had them on sale. They usually run $50, but I got mine for half off, $25, so I got me another. I received it like this, and they just had it boxed in this shipment and came through regular mail, USPS, if you're in the United States. And it came with this paper in it, and I take the paper out, and literally this is the box. This is the small box. This box got a little weight to it, so they kind of got everything covered around here. So let's now open it up. I don't even know how we open it. Oh, found the little thing, and I'm gonna use one of my Cricut spatulas to open it. Hey guys, so as I try to open it one way, I realize that it is more than one tab to open, and it's a third one. So, ooh, it's cute, and it is really mini. So, I'm gonna pull it out for you guys. So it has cushion up here, I guess, to keep it in its package or whatever, keep it safe. So this little thing has a little weight to it, and this is the base, and the base, of course, so it can breathe and not get super hot while using. It has rubber on the bottom. That's cute. Of course, it comes with a small instruction. Let's get started. I'm actually probably going to keep this box. I keep a lot of my Cricut boxes because I just like to keep them. Also, we definitely gotta pull it out and take it out. This cord seems pretty long. It seems pretty long. Okay. Besides being with the cord, warning: this Easy Press Mini operates in high temperatures that can cause burns or any other and other injuries. Use with extreme caution. Okay, guys, it got a little weight to it, and that's how it sits comfortably in there, and it has a little wiggle room. Has some stuff on the back to let you know about, and it has a 2-prong outlet. What else we got in here? And they gave us some safety instructions. The FCC tell you, of course, what Cricut Corporation is. And it has how you clean the machine or unplug it, and so it got let you know what to do. This little thing pulls out, has one of these things in it to keep it from getting moisture in it, I'm guessing. So we're gonna put that back, and we're just gonna look at the. Let's get started. And it literally just tells you what each thing means. It's like a really simple, it doesn't even have anything on the back. It just literally says power heat setting, low, medium, high. And when it's off, it's on standby. And then it's warming up when it's still orange. So, and then when you reach whatever temperature you want. And then it tells you, for precise, get the heat guide. Okay, so how do I feel about it? It's cute and really little. I consider my hand pretty plus size, and I mean, I can hold it. All my fingers can't go in the thing, but it looks like a mini iron. Look how little it is. That's exactly what it looks like. And my hand is not that big, so you can see it almost fits in the, it does fit in the palm of my hand. Overall thing about it is, it definitely will open up more doors of endless possibilities. I cannot wait to use it. It's very cute, it's compact, and I can't wait to use it. So I am excited. Do I think it's worth the money? I have not used it yet. I will be back to tell you, but majority of my Cricut stuff has not let me down yet. So I'm very excited to have this, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Remember, stay positive, stay safe, and stay blessed. Bye.